Hi, today we want to show you how to mount the snapback for multiple ECL soft tubes. Therefore, Prolight has designed a special bracket, a wing blade in here, and as you can see, we have already mounted 2 units on it. What you have to do now finally is kind of just flip it around. Here you would have a space for 2 more brackets, and here you just take the spigot and screw it in the first thing. Here we go. Now we are ready for this, and we are going over to the snapback and prepare that. Here we go with the snapback. It's quite simple. We have here some Velcro that you open, and when the snapback snaps open, really tight, et voila. So this is the snapback. Now we make a very simple thing. We just loop this snapback into this stand that we have prepared over here. And now we take the tube in the go ahead. I angle it a little bit. There we go. Yeah, if you have a spackle, you just close it from here. And now we go here on the sides and open this Velcros here and loop in the tubes. Now the snapback is fully installed, and if you want to turn on your tubes right now, therefore you need to have the access of a menu. So this is complicated in the setup like that. So we have 2 pouches in here that you can open, and then you can get directly the access to the tubes. It's one here, and it's also over there. Then you can see as well that we have a big opening part that is for the other tubes, so that you can easily slide in also the other tubes. But we want to have it closed so that we don't get any spill light to the back. Therefore, we have this kind of flexible part over here that you can easily slide behind the tubes to close the gap. So now we have covered the top part, and we just use the second one for the lower part. If you have 3 tubes in it, you don't need that. It's just simply covering with this material this part. If you want to use 3 tubes or 4 tubes, you just take another wing blade, attach it onto it in here. It will fit. It's already prepared here to mount another 2 units into this snapback. So finally, what we are missing right now is the diffusion. So this will give you, at the moment, more output because it's kind of channelizing the light more in front. Then we have here the front screen that is a magic cloth that makes, even with 1 or 2 tubes, the whole system very nicely even. So best is you start in the corners, you just loop it here around, like this, fold it to the outside on the top, make it straight. Here we go. Now we are fully set up with our snapback and the magic cloth in front that gives you a very nice, smooth, soft light on your talent. If you want to collapse the whole system together, we have here 2 marking points that are marking fold here. This is exactly the position where you want to end up if you want to collapse it together for the transport bag. Just do all the steps the reverse way. Thanks again for watching, and if you have any questions, please go on our website DoPchoice.com.